All right, guys, tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm working on a home. Customer got this all soldered up, all the pipes. This stuff right here is flux, okay? Flux is gonna kill your soldering and it's gonna rust out your pipe. The bigger concern is, let me set up my light. The bigger concern is your pipe getting rusted out. Okay, so what you want to do is you can use soapy water, anything you like. I'm using here it's called the Awesome product. Awesome, you can pick that up for like 20 bucks from Home Depot. Just spray that on. Okay, if you could get a Brillo pad, that's the best. But if you don't have a Brillo pad, all you need to do here is just clean this baby up, okay? Because that flux is gonna eat your pipes. Okay, I would recommend get yourself a Brillo pad. It'll be much quicker and easier and more cleaner, okay? It's like a thin layer and you can barely see and tell, okay? It's like having a clear coat on a paint of your vehicle. So I'm gonna spray some more of this stuff. And if you get a Brillo pad and you do this, it would just clean this up immediately. I'm gonna clean this as much as possible and you will see the difference here, okay? So you see this stuff right here? It's like a gummy clay. It's coming off little by little. But if you do it as you go along, take care of these pipes, the soldering should last you a long time, especially a pipe. Okay, so I'm gonna clean some more, but that's what you need to do here, okay? If you're soldering, you must do this, okay? And I'm gonna get some tissue papers from here. I've been working on this apartment for a little while, but if you leave this behind, your plumber leaves this behind, let him know. You don't have to be doing it. Okay. But if he's doing it, he should know better. If he doesn't do it, you gotta correct him. Okay. So I'm gonna get all this stuff out of here. And once it's done, see on the top here? It looks nice. This is just discoloration there. But I'm gonna get as much as I can, okay? Let me work more on this one over here because it's much cleaner already. So you guys can see the difference in the two pipes. Even though I cleaned that one, it still needs to be cleaned. Okay, kind of liking it there. So anyways, you guys got your tip here. Clean your soldering flux once you're done, okay? You guys seen my channel, I do run RCs. I do soldering. My cars didn't perform as well because there was not a good contact there. But the flux was keeping the amperage from traveling. But anyways, there you have it. Nice and clean. Look at that different. Before and after, you will consider this as a before and that would be after. Brillo pad will make this nice and shiny. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you guys think it's done, it's not really done, okay? If you use a Brillo pad, it'll work better. So instead of Brillo pad, if you do have this, this is sandpaper. If you guys want to pick this up, you're gonna roll inside like that. Just take a small piece of it. If you got two hands, you can just grab it from each side and turn back and forth. But since I'm using one hand, I just want to go soft, okay? You don't want to go crazy hard either. But check this out, okay? Very soft. Very soft, okay? What my concern is this clay type of looking guy right here. So that's what I want off right here. So with this, magic happens. I want to show you a little bit. and then you guys will get the point. See that? Very softly. Both hands, you could go grab it and just turn it, just like something like this. Okay, going back and forth. Get a longer piece and do that all around. But since I'm holding the phone with one hand, I'm not able to do that. But you gotta remove this clay looking stuff, okay? And wet tissue is not gonna do it. I realize that. But once it's done, I will show you.